Something feels off tonight.
The city feels quieter than usual.
RiO, look! A new troublemaker, huh?
It's that masked menace again!
You two are my best. Find him before the whole city panics.
Hey, mask guy, stop running!
He's not attacking. He's avoiding us.
Every disturbance happens near old districts.
Like he wants someone to see him.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? He's scared, not dangerous.
A young bird went missing months ago, Featherfall District.
Don't tell me!
He's attacking us.
Stop running! Tell us what you want.
I just wanted someone to notice me. I needed help.
You weren't causing chaos. You were crying for help.
You should have just asked.
I was afraid. Nobody listened.
We're sorry. We didn't know.
No more masks. You're safe now.
Let's give him a real welcome. Feather City stands stronger when we listen.
So, masked villains aren't always villains, huh?
Sometimes they're just hearts waiting to be heard.